Hi, thank you for allowing us to see this video. My name is Alex, and I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving a website or having a website can help you um, grow with your clients, getting more clients, outrank your competition, and of course get more exposure on Google. So I was trying to look for your website, and I saw that it was not active. Didn't have anything in it. So I can't really tell what were you doing wrong if you would have this, uploaded and published. But if I look on the back end of your website, of course, there's no data here. There were no organic keywords. Your domain rating is 0, of course, but you do have some backlinks. And backlinks are other sites that I mentioned on your website, and this will give you power so you can be found on Google depending on the keywords that you're targeting. So think about a popularity contest on Google. The more people that talk about you in a positive way, the more you're going to get, they're going to find you, they're going to get to know you. So it's not about the quantity of the links, because not every link is created equal. It's about the quality of those, not the quantity, the quality. So you can have hundreds of backlinks, but if they're not powerful enough, and if they're not relevant, and if they're not targeting the keywords that you need to be found for, it's going to be all for nothing. So I went and looked for Hvac, Long Island, New York, and of course the first section you're going to see is the map section, and you can be there. You should definitely be there, because most of the people that do a Google search, actually 70% of the people, they only go for the top 3 here and the top 3 on the organic results. So having a profile here, being backed up by your website, will definitely help you in getting more customers and more clients. Then we have the organic results. You can see number 1 is a directory Yelp. Number 2, we got this guy, t4brian.com. Then number 3, number 4. So again, from those 70 people that only go for these top 3, that means that most of them are not gonna go to the end of the page, not even to the second or third. So you're missing a lot of opportunities here. Let's take a look and see why these guys are ranking number 2. If we open their website, you can see that they have content, and this is very important, because if you're gonna be adding content besides images, but not limited to, this over here, the wording needs to be relevant, and you need to include the keywords. For example, Hvac Long Island, that would be one of them. And you can target many keywords from different areas as well. But going back to this, we can see that they have a lot of information, a lot of content. So basically, you will have to double or triple the content that they have if you want to start competing with them, and of course include those keywords that you want to be found for. If we look on the back end of their website, they're being found for over 3,000 keywords, and they have over 3,000 backlinks, and this is giving them quite of a popularity there in Google. But again, these are a lot of links for this to be this low. In other words, I would say that most of their links are not that of a high quality, but they're doing just enough for them to be there. Let's take a look and see the keywords that they're being found for really quick. Commercial HVAC companies near me. There's an average of 1,400 searches a month, and because they're number 2 for that one, they're getting 118 visits straight to their website. Let's take a look and see what is Hvac Long Island. Let's keep going, scrolling down, see if we can find it. Probably not there. Let's take a look here. For example, this one, Long Island air conditioner repair, 50 searches a month, but not getting too much traffic into it. But rule of the thumb is that if you get at least 5% of this, you're in good track. Let's keep looking over here. You can see here Hvac Long Island, New York, 20 searches a month and got the ranking number 2. They're getting 2 visits a month. And that's one of many keywords that you can be targeting. So really quick, because I don't want to take too much of the time. If you want to have a website, think it as a tool for your business. But in order for that tool to work properly, you need to make sure that the content is relevant. You include the keywords that you want to be found for. And if you want to be thinking of giving more power to your website so you can be found on Google, these links, they have to be relevant, and they have to include the keywords that you need to that you want to be found for. Once again, my name is Alex. We're from Hvac, and if you have any questions, please let us know. If you think we can help you out, because we can definitely help you out, simply give us a call, and we hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.